Hey guys, this is Luke from Billings Planning Room. I wanted to take a minute to show you the most popular page or view on our projects. No, it's not the project documents. Actually, on every project, did you know that there's a activity log? The activity log is the most popular page that we have on the Builders Exchange. It gets the most views, most activity. Let's jump into it. So under project actions, there's this link, view activity. And if you click on this, this is going to show you all of the users that have looked at this project. So if you come in here, you can go, I like to look at it by user, sort of by company name, and then it's really quick and easy. You can see all of the different companies and users that have looked at the project. You can even sort this by normal view, user, or specialty. And you can also send these people an email. So you may need to reach out. Maybe you're a general contractor or you're the project architect or engineer. You need to reach out. Do not abuse this feature. But if you need to communicate with the people that have been looking at the project, it's a quick and easy way to do that. It's a quick and easy way to see. If you look at the grid, you'll see the user, you'll see the company, you'll see the email, you see the phone, fax. It is actually the BXID. And you'll also see the number of times that the user has viewed the project. So it's a good way to just kind of keep an eye and see who's looking at the project. This is our most popular page, view activity, and then go to user, sort it by company name. Hope you guys find this one helpful. We'll see you in the next video.